Morning.
Good morning.
What happened?
Just so quiet.
Yeah. Are you recording something?
Huh?
What happened? Are you from the post office?
Am I from the post office? No.
No.
I'm from the United States.
Yeah. How can I help you?
Oh no, I was just observing.
Observing. Oh.
Yeah, I thought there would be more people here. It's empty.
Yeah, today's the Thursday. Normally it's really slow.
Oh, it's slow? Oh, okay. Oh, that's nice. Good for you. Easy day, huh? That's good.
But sir, where are you from? Because you're recording things and
What's that?
you recording the stuff here?
Yeah, I'm recording everything.
But why?
This is the United States, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
No, but we were told that, let me call my supervisor.
Well, this is the United States Post Office,
Yes.
right? That's not nice.
He's here. Yeah, he's here. Yeah.
Go ahead, man.
Cái đất trống the federal building put in here. May I help you? Sure. Thank you for waiting. No problem. One envelope? Yeah.
You want a copy? Yeah. Sir, my postmaster said you cannot go inside and record it. You can leave the lobby.
Envelope stamp.
Yeah.
Okay, I give you an envelope.
Okay.
Stamp.
Okay. He's recording me now,
out. You want?
He's inside, he record everything
Okay.
and he recording
Fine. Yeah,
us,
that's
you know.
fine.
No,
You tell the postmaster I'm in the lobby.
no, he's in the lobby when we're working.
No, not where you're working, where the customers are supposed to be.
No, my postmaster said you could be here, but you know,
Negative.
no, he refusing to leave.
Okay, thank you much.
Son, can you open the door for me, please? Yeah, he refusing to leave.
Have a good one, man.
No, thank you.
All right.
Hi. Thank you for being. That's it? Okay. All right, thank you.
You guys don't like America, huh?
You're not supposed to take a picture in here, so.
Of course.
It's a federal building.
It's exactly why I can.
No,
You're a federal employee.
Yeah, that's what the boss said, you cannot.
I have the right to. You guys want to put people in jail for what? I'm not breaking the law, man. That's pretty sad. It's pretty sad. Sir, do you guys have a poster 7?
What is it?
A poster 7?
What's that?
It's the post office rules and regulations.
Not on the board, no.
It says on there that photography is allowed.
Okay, you can wait because the supervisors come in, so
Oh,
you can
okay.
talk to them.
Am I bothering anybody here?
No?
Then what's the problem? You said postmaster's coming?
They are talking on the phone right now, yeah.
With the postmaster?
Postmaster, I don't know, it's a postmaster or supervisor.
No, you need to talk to the postmaster.
Huh?
You need to talk to the postmaster.
He's on the phone right now.
Yeah.
Okay.
Well, the supervisor obviously doesn't know better if they're taking that long, man. You need to call the postmaster. Did you talk to the postmaster?
Yeah.
Oh, what'd the postmaster say? You don't know?
I don't want to answer.
Oh, that's fine. Dang. So no poster 7, huh? It's crazy. So she called the supervisor and said that I was filming in her work area. Try to make it seem I was behind, like if I was behind the counter or something. That's what I got out of it.